Fried pork ceviche. For our kinilaw, simply prepare 1/4 kilo of pork belly. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. For squeezed limes, or you can use lemons. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Monosodium glutamate (MSG). 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix all the ingredients together and let it brine for 30 minutes before frying. After 30 minutes, place the marinated pork in the pan, then add the marinade. Cover it and simmer until it dries up. It's starting to simmer now. Wait until the sauce thickens. And just flip it over. It's now frying on its own. At this point, I use cast iron, just brush some oil here. Also, add the pre-cooked pork belly here. Just cook it to medium rare. Just flip it over to cook the other side. It's cooked now and set aside. Here is the result. Also, slice the cucumber. Slice 2 tomatoes and remove the seeds. Onions. Slice the red chili or labuyo. Slice the pork belly as well. For the sauce, use 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of liquid seasoning, half a teaspoon of white pepper and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And just stir it. Add the onions, tomatoes, chili, and cucumber, then stir. Lastly, add the sliced pork belly and mix it again.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!